To earn money on YouTube, you can follow these steps. Create a YouTube channel. Sign up for a Google account and create a channel on YouTube. Choose a niche. Select a specific topic or niche for your content. This helps attract a target audience. Create high-quality content. Produce engaging, high-quality videos. Invest in good equipment and focus on delivering valuable content. Build your audience. Promote your videos on social media. Collaborate with other YouTubers and engage with your audience to build a loyal following. Enable monetization. Once you meet YouTube's eligibility requirements, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program and enable monetization on your videos. Add revenue. Earn money through ads displayed on your videos. YouTube pays you a share of the advertising revenue generated from your content. Channel memberships. Enable channel memberships to allow viewers to become paying members, unlocking perks like badges and exclusive content. Super Chat and Super Stickers. Enable these features to allow viewers to pay for highlighted messages or stickers during live streams. Merchandise Shelf. Sell your own merchandise directly through YouTube using the Merchandise Shelf feature. Affiliate marketing. Promote products in your videos and use affiliate links. You'll earn a commission for every sale made through your referral. Sponsorships and brand deals. Collaborate with brands for sponsored content or brand deals. Ensure the partnerships align with your content and audience. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time and consistency. Focus on creating valuable content and engaging with your audience to foster growth.